Good love, good beauty, and good gratitude, guardians of Gaia. This is Wendy with Languages of Lights, and I just wanted to share with you this brilliant, brilliant blue, gorgeous cilia. These little tiny spring bulbs that are one of the first to pop up. And they remind me so much of this new blue color. They almost appear a little more purple on screen than they actually do in person. They're really of this vibrant, vibrant blue. And they're just amazing. I love them because they are an incredible energy. And they just remind me so much of that new blue, the new blue. So and it feels like, I don't know, I feel like Aquarian fire energy somehow when I see this. And I planted these a long time ago. And actually there were thousands of them before, but over time they kind of, they do, although they spread over time, you know, the critters dig them up and stuff. But I just absolutely love them. So I was on my way back from my walk, and I just wanted to share this gorgeous sound of color with you and allow it to help you open your throat chakra, your third eye chakra, and just inhale the color, feel it, feel this vibrance and the raindrops and the rejuvenation. They're very, very tiny, so it's hard to get them, you know, close up. I hope I'm not too blurry, but if I can give you a little perspective as to how tiny they actually are. There's the tree that they grow around. And I just absolutely love these first signs of spring. And I love how the moss grows on the walkway and how everything starts popping up. And I believe this one is striped squill. And I just love this one too for its teeny tiny soft little flowers that look like little stars. They look just like little stars to me. And way down there, they're just so awesome. They're laying down because of the heavy rain, because they're so tiny. Let's see if we can show you one against the moss. There we go. Look how beautiful. Oh, Ranger loves to come and smell the flowers. Hi, Ranger. He said, when everybody's your nose. Oops. He says no. So there you go. Isn't it gorgeous? And those gorgeous little veins in there. So when we talk about being mindful and oneness, this is what they're talking about, is when you take the few minutes to just examine the wonder of your own little world, and while you're doing that, the information and the portals that open and the connections that you make with your spirit guides and the earth, and oh, here's a crocus. The crocus come up too early. There's a purple one, and there's some more crocuses over there too. And pretty soon, actually, so I just wanted to share a moment of spring's little creations in my world of wonder. Oh, and I hear my buddy howling again. I hear her way off in the distance. So go enjoy the small little tiny pleasures and see what portals open for you. See what more you can discover about yourself, because remember, everything you're looking at is always a reflection of you. So I know that when I look at these flowers, I've been these flowers. I have spent my life as one of these flowers. whether it's a perennial that comes back year after year and gets larger and more beautiful, and the bulbs that come back year after year, or whether it's a plant that only has 1 year or blooms one day. I've been them all because I want to experience them all. I want to know what it's like to be a pond, to be the home to creatures and critters and amazing, amazing creations. So thank you once again for joining my journey of joy in my gardens of Gaia and the healing sounds of color. And our and our symphony from our avian friends. And our tree friends that give us life. For everything that breathes and grows helps us sustain life. It all brings us something. So play outside, find your inner child, jump in the mud, get down on the ground, and explore the world. A teeny tiny world around you, and discover more of all that you are. Ni senora sono kuyata si senuniwa le kotashnera kwana. Planuya satosaniwa kayako. Patoshniwa koniti parasanewa. Alo konyawaso. Shikonyasanawa. Thank you, our beautiful fair friends. All the Fae realms. Speak to them. Send them your gratitude. Love them. Plant trees and flowers. Fertilize with vegetation. Decorate your homes inside and out with the gifts of Gaia. Be in joy. Fill yourselves with instant pleasure.